Hey guys, it's Sprite here from Condé Systems, and today I want to show you the textured line of products from Universal Woods. So these textured products come in a lot of different sizes. We have ornaments, placemats, coasters, magnets, we have the thinner hardboard, the thicker MDF, and they come in a range of sizes. This textured material has an amazing feel, a really unique coating, and it's really going to set you apart from all of the other sublimatable products that we offer. I think that this matte texture has a beautiful look to it. It's going to display your photographs and your images beautifully. This is going to be huge in the photography world, and really it's going to be great for anybody that wants to display their stuff in a different style that's a little bit out the box from what you're used to. Today we're going to do an 8x10 hardboard piece, so let me show you what you're going to need. This new textured product is really easy to do. We only need a couple of things. So today I've brought my protective paper, my transfer, my blank substrate, and my heat tape. So the first thing I'm going to do is align my substrate to my image. Then I'm going to affix them together with heat tape. Once my substrate's ready, I'm taking it to the press. I'm going to place a piece of protective paper on the bottom of the heat press, followed by my substrate and image face down, and then finally, an additional piece of protective paper on the top. Now we're ready to press. Be sure to go to Conde.com to check out all the latest instructions. Man, this textured stuff really looks great. This textured finish just looks and feels phenomenal. This is unlike anything we've ever done here before, so it's really going to add a new dimension and depth to your product offering. And of course, you're going to get that beautiful depth of color and clarity that you've come to know from the great people at Universal Woods. So contact your Conde account representative today to inquire more about our textured line. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. Happy sublimating.